we're going to be changing the light. So you're going to be, first of all, you need a socket, 10 millimeter. Take this off. Three clips. Should be one on each end, one in the middle. Okay, there you go. 1, 2, 3. 3 clips. You might be thinking, wow, how is this put in here? But it's put in with these 3. That red one is on the bottom, and they're put in with this 3 little push pins there. For the light, take these 2 off. They're all the same size, I believe. Yep. You don't have to worry about messing them up. Now, I just take your light and you pull straight towards you. This is your bulbs. Just turn them, take them out if you need to replace them. It's pushed in there, and this pin right, where is it? Right there. Well, not the pin, but the slot that goes over the pin that's in the vehicle. You just turn and pull out your bulbs, and you just push it back in the same way. Clean up in here if you like. And to put it on, there's a clip. See that clip? Right there. So putting it on, just line it up. Line up that clip. Push it straight in. Just like that. This bottom clip goes in to your light right there. That's how that goes in. So you can put your bolts back in now. And that's how simple. You got it. Don't over torque them, guys. You know, you can check along here, make sure there's no rust or paint off. It's your chance now, right? To make sure everything looks okay. There, and on the light. Clip it in. Get your bolts. Put them in. And tighten them down by hand. You do not want to tighten these too much. It's just plastic. And that, my friend, is done. So guys, that's how easy it is to replace a tail light assembly on a 2015 Rogue. If your model falls within the same design, then you know how easy it can be. 5 minutes, right? So pretty much the video is real time, and this Nissan made it a little easy for us. If you like these types of videos, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, let me know where you watch this video from. I always find it interesting when people tell me where they're watching my videos, and it's a place I've never heard before. So yeah, I do these videos whenever I need to, and it's everyday videos. It may be lawnmower, maybe a snow blower, maybe a chainsaw, and I try and do as much repair on my vehicles as possible. And so I try and be as informative as I can, and try not to overcomplicate it. And I feel, it's nice to help somebody else out, to save a bit of money, or just to learn something. And that's it, folks. I hope to see you real soon.